Already here.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
There in Savannah, Africa.
We have to go.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Go, 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 go. Go, agapin mo. Go, agapin mo. Me? I need to be on the side.
Yes, but because you are dangerous.
You're dangerous. Okay. Thank you too. This way is going to African Savannah. Oh, there. How can we stop there? The lions there?
For African Savannah monster, going up left side.
Left side. Okay, thank you so much.
Careful, but there's the.
Be careful, watch your step. Oh, left side. Okay, this is the entrance. That's right. Bye. Hi. Oh, nice. This is what I'm talking about. We can ride that. Giant swing. So these are the activities that you can do from here, like sky bike, zip line, etc. And for here, I want to be at the side, agapin mo. Please. Okay.
So hi, good afternoon and welcome to African Savannah. I'm your Indian comfort master. Please avoid standing with the promise quickly. No using pressure to get some mistake and make sure to the ground horse. So inside we have
Zebra.
The highlight is the zebra.
Oh, wow. Welcome to Africa.
The highlight of African Savannah Lamster, the zebras. So zebras are black covered with white stripe. Their stripes serve as their identification from one another since there's no two zebras with the same pattern, just like our children. And they spend the majority of their day eating when not eating or traveling. Zebras take the opportunity to sleep. In fact, they sleep standing up. But zebras only sleep when they're in the large group so they can be alerted of danger. So once again, zebra. And the first antelope we have here is the leafback. The leafback is recognizable by its white marks on their faces. Named after the Dutch term for days referring to white in their head. And they are abundant in South Africa and adapters for local hunters for meat and delta. So again, leafback.
Hello.
So the one with molecular horn lamster, that is the greater kudos. Greater kudos is distinguished by white antlers and vertical lines of their body.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And the two with the same face as a cow, those are the eland. Eland is the large antelope species in the world both in terms size and weight. So they can stand up to 5 feet tall and weigh between 900 and 2,200 pounds. And also the waterback. So waterback is severe recognizable by the rock coat, long shaggy hair under their throat, and distinctive white color around their neck. So they have a strong.
Oh, wow.
Or the wildebeest. So wildebeest is characterized with their long black mane and a throat and a beard. If you are familiar with the movie The
running away. Okay. That's their shades.
So again, those are the wildebeest, the one who accidentally killed King Mufasa during the stampede.
Why are they not in jail? No! Oh!
And we also have here the impala. So impala is the incredible jumpers of savannah. These are
Hello!
their high and cover distance of 12 meters. So male impalas have bare horns will famous to them. So again, impala. Is the incredible fast runner. They can reach speed about 80 kilometers per hour. These remarkable speed help them to evade predators like lions and squirrels. They can also jump. They can leap up to 10 feet in the air when alarmed or during daytime. So this typical behavior is impressive sight in the grassland of Africa. So again, dogs and gazelle. Okay, the last antelope we have here is the gamsbach or oryx gazelle, or also called as king of Kalahari Desert. They are known for their impressive horn, about 85 centimeter long. So male have thicker horns while female has slightly thinner one. They are excellent in surviving arid environment. They need water but can go without it for a while by getting moisture from the plants to eat. And by the way, that is the national animals of the Qatar Airways. So again, gamsbach or oryx gazelle.
Qatar Airways.
So that will be the end of our African Savannah Adventure now, sir. And for the next tour is a walking. So left side of the convenience store we have rocks, turtle, otter, and crocodile. You can also feed the crocodile.
Nice.
Right side is the African lion and Savannah tortoise. Going down you will see the cheetah, patas monkey, serval cat, miniature horse again, and the giraffe.
Nice.
So thank you and enjoy the rest of the wild.
Thank you. Nice information. Let's go. Wow. Did you absorb everything?
Yes.
I think we are info overload. Yes. Love you.